Hello, everyone. Let me tell you about my biggest challenge to this whole course. And I can really sum it up in one main phrase. I have always had a problem with sharing my passions. I have had troubles with getting on Facebook, huge amounts of anxieties. And that may stem from what I find so interesting. I teach and love physics. And physics has always been that kind of subject that either people hate it or love it. I've heard my fair share of, ooh, you teach, do physics? Yuck, I hate math, and stuff of that nature. So when I share something I find positive, a lot of people return with a lot of negativity. Same with technology. It's branded me as a huge nerd throughout my entire life. But through this class, I've learned that being nerdy and loving the things I do is actually pretty cool. Uh, like, I've been learning how to use video games to teach on a deeper level. And I've learned that being passionate in my subject helps foster a really fun learning community. This audience is not more than just other students. It's also teachers too, because everyone has kind of enjoyed seeing a more passionate teacher in me and someone who's willing to share his knowledge with other people. So, how does this relate to the ISC standards? Well, it relates to four different ISC standards. 5A says you need to use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning. Such like video games have taught people how to adapt to problems with specific goals. Design authentic learning activities that aligns with content area standards and digital tools to resource to maximize deep learning. These cool digital tools have been helping me address a lot of issues. Stuff like Code HS, stuff like learning just how to get kids into esports have developed this great deep learning area. And fostering that culture, this gaming club thing that I've been putting together after school, students are taking ownership of this culture they're building in this whole environment that they've called home. It's amazing. And lastly, modeling nurtural creativity and creative expressions to communicate ideas, knowledge, or connections. That is the whole essence of sharing your passions with one another through technology. And that's why it's always been my biggest challenge, but through these standards and through this course, I've learned to share more. And I think that's always been my biggest challenge. And I'm kind of happy to have addressed that through this course. I hope you've all had a wonderful time getting your master's in instructional technology. And good luck in the future.